Welcome to the project Motorized Screw Jack Design System. So in this project we are going to use a wireless RF transmitter which is given along with control buttons. Now it is interfaced to the encoder along with the transmitter. So we are interfacing a battery. So based on the wireless technology, here we are going to control the screw jack mechanism. So it's the entire screw jack. So which is motorized based on the link connected to the shaft of the motor. So this is a geared DC motor. So this geared DC motor uses these two relay switches for triggering the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So here we can have a direction control based on these two relays. Now these two relays get controlled by this RF receiver. So depending on the RF transmitter on which we are using the controlling, so this RF receiver receives the commands and decodes the data and switches the relay mechanism. So we just check the output. So here, as soon as we on power supply, so here when the two relays are under, when two lights are under on mode, it is nothing but off mode. So when we make button press like forward direction, you can see here the jack is lifting the object to upward direction. The motor is rotating under clockwise. It is lifting the object to. This jack has a capacity to lift till around 1000 kgs. And using this motorized screw jack, we can lift the weighted objects very easily. You can see here the reverse direction, nothing but taking the battery. So this battery is around 2.5 kg, which is easily lifting to upward and downward directions based on motorized connected shaft to a DC motor, and using the wireless switching mechanism. Here you can have a switching mechanism installed. So here forward, backward, as well as offing the switchings. So in this way, using relay switches, we can easily control the screw jack mechanism based on wireless RF technology. Thank you.